Welcome back. Well, if you like today, you're going to like tomorrow's forecast. We do have some changes, more clouds, and eventually maybe some showers and thunderstorms in the area come later on Easter Sunday. We'll have more on that in just a bit. And then next week, certainly a different pattern, but hopefully we straighten it out in time for Festival International. So let's take a look at the big picture here. And what we're watching is a tandem of upper level lows work in concert together to produce severe storms across the plains into this weekend. We have another one up here that is producing some severe weather. More on that in just a bit. But the tail end of this upper trough could drag some showers and storms through Acadiana, especially Sunday, mainly Sunday night into Monday, the way it's looking right now. Then more disturbances arrive as we head into the middle part of next week, which should keep our rain chances elevated. So at the surface low pressure area in the high plains producing the threat of severe storms. Already warnings going within this tornado watch area, severe thunderstorm watch. On the backside, it's snow in the Rockies, and this is the upper low that's going to be dragging a front close to our area as we get into later on Sunday that could generate a few showers and storms. Right now, though, just breezy southerly winds across the area. We expect more of the same overnight tonight, but this time temperatures holding closer to the lower 70s and getting closer to the water temperatures out in the Gulf of Mexico. Near shore water temperatures right around 70 degrees. Deeper out into the Gulf, we're seeing temperatures well into the mid 70s. So then another breezy and warm one tomorrow. Morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun. Temperatures a degree or two warmer than today. We got up to 82 today. 83 or 84 is the call for tomorrow. And it stays breezy and mild at night as we head into Saturday morning. But notice Saturday we keep more clouds in the area, so temperatures may be closer to the lower 80s. Then we're watching the showers and storms back to the west, and they'll be cooking across portions of Oklahoma and Texas up through Missouri, where there could be severe weather, into Arkansas as well. And then we'll probably see more developing as we head into the latter part of Sunday, and the Euro model kind of demonstrates that, with showers and storms a better bet southwest Louisiana through Cenla and into northeast Louisiana. And we'll keep our rain chances elevated. Some activity Tuesday. Looks like a little bit more Wednesday going into Thursday. Mainly daytime activity, so that shouldn't impact Festival during the course of the evening hours. And then we get to the weekend. High pressure begins to bulb back in aloft and at the surface, so we're going to see temperatures more than likely mid to upper 80s, and probably the heat index this weekend approaching 90 degrees, so it will be warm in time for Festival International. Severe weather threat for Saturday well to our west. We'll get into Sunday. It does poke into northern portions of Acadiana. Well, it looks like we'll have a little bit of a cap in place, but as we head into Sunday evening, Sunday night, there could be a few isolated severe storms that produce wind damage and hail, mainly from north of Lake Charles up through central Louisiana and the northern part of the state. Something we'll keep an eye on. Now, rainfall, we could use the rain. Doesn't show a whole lot here locally, maybe an inch or two, but notice much higher totals off to our north and west with time, and that's where there could be some localized flooding. For us, upper 60s to near 74 low, then tomorrow, mid 80s the high. And we got more of that as we head into the weekend, plus more cloud cover as well. So a quiet night, breezy overall. That'll keep fog at bay for the most part, clouding up as we get closer toward daybreak tomorrow. And then tomorrow, plenty of clouds in the morning, kind of like today. It started off a little gray and dreary, and then we start seeing intervals of sunshine as we head into the afternoon hours. Breezy and gusty southerly winds gusting up to 25 in the afternoon. That's close to what we had for today. Breezy, warm and humid into the weekend as well. Rain chance locally right now will go 30% Sunday during the day, 40-50% Sunday night, and there you see higher rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday, with those rain chances hopefully tapering just in time for the big Festival International de Louisiane weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right at the end of the show.